This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
Welcome to the HOOBS Insteon plugin Step 5, How to add a bridge to Apple Home. Step 1, open the bridge page. Step 2, select your bridge. Please note you will need this QR code in a minute. Step 3, on your iPhone, open Apple Home app. Step 4, click the plus button. Step 5, click Add Accessory. Step 6, scan your QR code from the Step 2. Step 7, click Add to Home. Step 8, click Add Anyway. Step 9, add your bridge location. Step 10, click Continue. Step 11, click Done.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
Please watch Step 6 in the lower right corner of your screen.